Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video. In this video we will discuss that how you can add buttons on your Facebook profile in 2023. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First of all, go to your Facebook app and then go to your profile by clicking on your profile picture icon. And then here you will see your profile, and next to your profile you will see three dots. Click on those dots and then you will see add action button option. Click on add action button and then click on try it, and here you will have list of buttons that you can choose from. You can choose the button according to your account type. Let's add a book now button. Click on book now and then click on next. Now click on use appointments on Facebook and then click on next button. Now you can add services to your account. After that, click on add service button. After that, click on finish button and then click on done. Once you click the finish button, the action button will be added to your account and the audience will be able to see your button on your account after it's approved from the Facebook. So that's it. That's how you can add action buttons to your Facebook account. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Cheers.